Hello, everyone. Welcome. I'm back again with another exciting collab. Your Style, Your Creation Tablescape Sunday, hosted by five amazing ladies: Mistress Alberta, Cynthia She's So Blessed, Diva Decorating, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, and me, myself, and DIYing. Please head over to their channel, show your love and support. The links to their channel will be in the description below. The rules for this collab was to style a tablescape of your choice. However, the centerpiece must be a fall vignette. So here's a complete look of my tablescape. Please continue to watch. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you are not already a member of my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell for future videos. Again, thank you and stay blessed.